How to deactivate Messenger. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I will going to show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So in order to deactivate your Messenger and make sure that you sign in your account. So once you sign in your account, you've been taken to the Messenger homepage. After that, click on the top left corner on your profile icon and scroll all the way down. Now tap on switch account. Now tap on account settings, and if you scroll down you came across a section where it says, after that tap on account settings. Once you go into the account settings, if you scroll down under the your information section, you are able to see accounts ownership and control. Tap here. Now tap on deactivation and deletion. After that, in the end of your screen, you are able to see the continue to Facebook account deactivation and deletion. Tap here. Now you can simply continue to account deactivation. From here on, you can first you are going to deactivate your Facebook account, and after that you are going to deactivate your Messenger account. So that's how you deactivate your Messenger. So that is it in this video, and if you have another way, you can tell me in the comment section, and if you have any question, you can also ask me in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.